These corn kernels are as hard as little marbles. Tuki, let's play with them.
No, Piku. I need to take these to my workshop to put inside the toys.
OK, now to boil some potatoes.
Tuki, look, you've dropped some corn. Corn?
What's that sound coming from the kitchen?
Don't worry. Stay right here. I'll go and see who's in the kitchen. Huh? Oh!
I kept those aside for my toys, Papa Pyari.
Oh, and here are the potatoes I meant to boil.
The corn and potatoes went a switching, and Papa wondered who's in the kitchen.
Thanks to Papa, we have popcorn now.